A striking gong performance kicks off the 2020 Ling Mountain Buddhist Society Water, Land and Air Dharma Assembly on the evening of December 9th, 2020 in Taoyuan, Taiwan. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, everyone was required to wear masks.
那今年的防疫安全的布置非常周到。
Guests invited up to the stage held giant pills written with concepts to help ease the soul.
不懊恼过去，然后不畏惧未来。那我们当下大家努力的做善事，我们把心念调到一个正能量。那我相信这个就是最好的一个防疫，也能够让我们的身体的免疫力能够增强的好方法。
Followers, politicians, and administrators, including Taoyuan Mayor Zheng Wencan, police and religious leaders attended the inter-religion prayer ceremony with hope and peace in their hearts.
我们宗教没有武器啊，我们也没有什么疫苗啊，只有祈祷的力量。所以，我们宗教界能够联合起来，共同一条心，让每一个人都能够心里非常平和的话，我想，希望这个疫情很快会过去。
While much of the world remains in lockdown and curfew, Taiwan is one of the few places where gatherings of people are possible, but not without epidemic prevention efforts. This year at the assembly, people are required to wear a mask, disinfect, get their temperature taken, and register their name and phone number for contact tracing. Acrylic barriers were installed at counters in an effort to block aerosol.
我觉得这样子还是蛮有温馨的，不会说有距离感，因为大家进来，大家的脸上的那种愉悦、那种欢喜心还是有，不会说因为疫情大家觉得很陌生、很冷漠，不会。
Live streams of the assembly will be broadcasted daily for people to participate in the safety of their own home or office. 2020 has been a difficult year for the world, but with epidemic prevention measures in place at the Water, Land and Air Dharma Assembly, an annual event for Buddhists to reconcile with spirits and negative energy, Ling Mountain Buddhist Society is ready to help.